We found a way to revitalize and add fun colors at the same time to our outdoor wood using artist oil paint from the hobby shop. And you can use it on projects like decks, fences, furniture, right down to accessories like this bird feeder. We'll show you how with love for a country house. We switched to using oil paints after we found our water-based colors would fade and peel very quickly sometimes, but we're not using the strong-smelling stains that you can buy at the hardware store like for your deck. We're making our own with linseed oil and artist colors. It was just an experiment at first, and you might want to know, is it a lot more expensive? Well, we're estimating that it's in the neighborhood of 50 cents a square foot, but the idea is that it will last much longer and it will revitalize our old wood in a way that latex and acrylics could never do. Here's a recipe that will cover about 1 to 2 square feet. So for a fairly thick coat of color, 1 part oil paint to 4 parts linseed oil. And then optionally, if you want to stretch it even further, add 2 parts of odorless mineral spirits, and that'll loosen up the paint a lot more. For a thinner, stain-like consistency, you can double the amount of linseed oil. We use disposable brushes rather than cleaning them. Also, we found that the colors are brighter painted over white surfaces, but you can mix the paints with white or other colors for new shades. In any case, oil paint will take a lot longer to dry, especially over less porous surfaces. But eventually it will dry, and your wood will be very well protected and more colorful. We have found that the linseed oil might make your surface pretty shiny, but that's good for repelling the water we found, as you can see on the top of the bird feeder. For the bird feeder, we cleaned it up a lot and we brushed it with some bleach, and then we touched up the cracks with putty, and then finally we began to add the oil colors. The oils penetrated the cedar and brought it new life. And we even added some fun details like the stencil at the bottom, since we'll be able to see it from below, and these little resin berry charms to help attract the birds. Don't they look cute?
Bob Ross would be proud.
Thanks, honey. Don't forget to visit SteffiMcCarthy.com and click the sun logo to subscribe. See you later.